तो वहाँ पर भी नहीं लेंगे ना हम। बंद कर दो गेम, लॉक करो। मैम Excuse me, please. Thank you. Shut your door.
ये एक ही फिल्म फेस्टिवल है जो कि हमारा फिल्म फेस्टिवल है। हमारी मुंबई का सिर्फ एक ही फिल्म फेस्टिवल है। सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट सेलिब्रेट बीइंग इंडियन एंड दिवाली इज कमिंग क्लोज। सो
हमने आपको प्रोमो भी देखा है, हैप्पी एंडिंग में जो हमने देखी है एक झलक आपकी, कुछ बताना चाहेंगी? काफ़ी समय बाद आपको हम फिल्म में देख रहे हैं।
वेल सैफ मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है और मैंने अपना करियर उसके साथ स्टार्ट किया था क्या कहना में। सो फर्स्ट टाइम सैफ ने मुझे फ़ोन करके बोला कि प्लीज़ PZ यू मस्ट डू दिस। सो आई थॉट उसने कभी मुझे किसी चीज़ के लिए पूछा नहीं है और मैं बिल्कुल काम फिल्में नहीं कर रही थी अभी बिकॉज आई बीन बिजी डूइंग सम अदर स्टाफ। सिर्फ भैया जी सुपर हिट इज़ अ फिल्म आई एम शूटिंग एंड आई डिडंट वांट कि डेट्स नहीं हो और जब भी But when I heard it, I thought it was really sweet. So I said, "ठीक है, why not?" And it was a lot of fun. He actually inspired me to actually take up some more work now.
So promote वगैरह करिए आप?
Well, to be very honest, it is not my film,
Yeah.
So it is my film because I'm in it and I love being part of it. But I think I'm not really required to promote it. I'm quite surprised. It was what should I say, a happy surprise to see myself in the promo. I didn't expect to see myself in the promo. But अब देख लिया तो you should tell me what you think. But it's a very fun part and I think it's going to be a good movie.
Preeti, आप वर्ल्ड सिनेमा
to watch a film here? What is the plan? Which film are you planning to watch at Marvel?
Well, actually I've just come here to support the film festival here. Only because it is our very own film festival. It ran into problems and I think being the film industry, we are the largest film industry in the world and it's very important for us to have a film festival. This is a festival that talks about exchanging culture, it exchanges movies and it's very important to support it. So I don't think you always have to support things which are of monetary gains to you. This is very important for our growth as a film industry. for awareness of different kinds of cinema and movies. So I'm here to just support it.
प्रीति वर्ल्ड सिनेमा की तरफ आप कब इंट्रोड्यूस
चाहती हैं कि सही में कल्प्रिट?
Why are all of you all talking at the same time?
Sorry, very sorry.
Guys,
तो प्रीति, मेरा सवाल ये है कि जिस तरह से हमने देखा आप इतनी तकलीफ से गुजरी हैं, तो हमें
किस तरह का?
लाइक जो केस molestation का जो केस था,
guys, I have come for a different reason, but these questions you please ask the police commissioner of Mumbai. So if you really want to know answers, because he will give you the exact answers, but please ask him, because even I want to ask him these questions.
प्रीति आप वर्ल्ड सिनेमा की तरफ कब आपको सबसे पहले इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था आपका?
I think world cinema is something that I've been watching since I think I was a kid, to be very honest. इतना ज़्यादा नहीं देखती थी, एक्चुअली इतनी ज़्यादा फिल्में नहीं देखती थी, पर सिनेमा ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ऑलवेज देखा है, एंड आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू encourage it here. Especially us, because we are the largest film industry in the world. We have so many films in different languages in our own country that kabhi kabar it's nice to watch films in different languages from other countries.
प्रीति इंडिया में इतनी सारी फिल्में बनती है प्रीति.
Okay guys, I just want to know why are you here? I really want to know why are you here?
प्रीति I just
No, but you're here for this event, no? So why be unfair? आपकी शादी हुए और मैं इनके पति से congratulations बोलूँ, it's not nice, no? So let's keep it to here. But please go and ask them. I would love to know.
प्रीति इंडिया में इतनी सारी फिल्में बनती है लेकिन इंटरनेशनल फिल्म वहाँ तक जा नहीं पाती, इसकी क्या वजह मानती हैं आप?
Sorry, what?
इंडिया में
stand up because I'm looking down.
I can't stand.
Okay, why don't you come there?
मतलब कि कई बार फेस्टिवल में फिल्म्स दिखाई जाती हैं, लेकिन वो उसका वो जिस तरह से
इंडिया में
होने के बाद इंडिया में लार्जर देन लाइफ जिस तरह से फिल्म
I wanted to ask कि इतनी सारी
फेम नहीं मिल पाता फिल्म को, बराबर?
No, I wanted to ask कि इंडिया में इतनी सारी फिल्में बनती है लेकिन इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड तक वहाँ पहुँच नहीं पाती है. द थिंग इज वहाँ पे के जिस तरह से फिल्म फेस्टिवल में जहाँ पे सारी फिल्में दिखाई जाती है वहाँ पे कहीं बॉलीवुड फिल्म का नामो निशान नहीं दिखता है, बहुत कम.
नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स ट्रू. हमारी फिल्में पूरी दुनिया में जाती है, पर ये देखना इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ ये है कि दुनिया में हम सेकंड लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेशन है. सो फ्रॉम आवर एक से एक जब तक वो फिल्म आई थिंक इट रन्स इट्स स्टीम ऑफ. But no, our films do very well all over the world, and I think markets are different. What people need is different. India is the country जहाँ lot of escapism की cinema होती है, so the demand is very different, you know, and it's the audience. If the audience goes and likes different films, then people will make more different films. But audience likes more masala films. So even if a actor wants to do a serious film, like this year's all-time favorite for me is Mardani. I loved it. Because उसमें powerful performance थी. मैंने खुद trafficking, human trafficking पे बहुत research की है. It was very correct, the movie, and I think after a long time मैंने देखा कि एक रोल, एक तो रानी तो was a powerhouse performer, I don't need to tell you that, पर उसने एक relevant film की, you know, so I think, and the audience ने उसको thumbs up दिया, so that was a really good thing. नहीं तो a lot of times audience gives thumbs up to movies that as actors when we see ourselves in them we get surprised कि ये कैसे चल गई, and then 10 other people offer you those movies. So I think that's also very important from the audience point of view to accept movies that have some kind of value in it or is of essence and relevance.
अब किस तरह का फिल्म?
There was this one tweet sort of that made headlines, you know, and was retweeted by you about the national anthem when you were watching Bang Bang. Of course, you went and watched the movie. Anything you want to say about that? Any clarification?
Well, I don't need to give any clarifications. I've always felt that, of course, it was reported that everybody got upset with me, but I think that was complete misrepresentation, because if you look at the chat history, there were 5 people and there were 1,000 people who said. So I think the problem is our country never really asks us for anything, right? It just, the only thing we are expected to do as our rights is to keep it clean, is to respect our armed forces and people who have laid their lives for this country. If you look at that national anthem, it's people standing at 23,000 feet, you know, and they can't stay there more than 6 months because they get bulimic lung syndrome, water goes in their lungs. You can't stand as a mark of respect. The same people go to other countries and stand for their national anthems. So everybody quietly stands up because you know कि somebody will say something to you. So these are not things somebody should tell you. They should come from within you. You know, I think if itni choti cheezein come from within you, tomorrow if a woman is being troubled on the road, people will go and help her because everybody is like, it doesn't concern me attitude. But having said that, it was kind of weird because everybody wanted to throw him out and hit him or whatever. And then I just said, I think we should leave. I didn't want another tamasha. But I did find out, I think, that he did come back later.
Preeti, this year somehow the actors have managed struggle literally to put Mami together. But do you think it's very shameful if a city like Mumbai can't, then who can?
You know, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. And I think I would really like to compliment Anupama Chopra because she has been so wonderful and she has rallied for this festival. And I'd also like to compliment all our actors who have made it somehow or the other. People have made themselves available for it. So I think next year is going to be a bigger, better, stronger show for this film festival. And sometimes you have to fall down really hard to get back and be strong. So I think maybe, they say in every adversity you should look for an opportunity. So I think this has been an incredible opportunity for this film festival. And I only see it going from strength to strength. The only other thing I would personally like to see is whenever there are festivals all over the world, everyone comes all dressed up. So I do want to see everybody in Mumbai. That's like I would like to see them not just come in jeans and stuff, but be a little more dressed up because that's just I would like to because that's why I have made an effort to dress up. Because when you say Mumbai Film Festival, then it should look glamorous also because movies are about that, it's about creating a whole new world and being part of that world. It's about fantasy, it's about, so you do want to see that largeness about it. But having said that, I'm very happy to be here and I'm very happy to see that a lot of actors came and supported it.
Also the involvement of Bollywood.
Yeah, the sweetly इसने मुझे बहुत time से पूछ रही है. My Diwali plans are I'm going to be traveling for Diwali. So in advance, I'd like to wish all the viewers of every different channel a very, very happy Diwali. I'm going to obviously, what should I do? Have a lot of diyas because I'm going to be traveling abroad. So I'm going to put a lot of diyas. There'll be a little puja, but mine will be one little quick puja. And I'm going to... No patakas for me, obviously, because in other countries you can't do that. But hopefully there'll be some fun Diwali parties. I don't know.
Okay.
As of now, I'll be doing a lot of events all across America, actually. So I would be meeting a lot of non-residents Indians living in America. So I probably will be celebrating.
क्या इवेंट होने वाला है हम जानना चाहेंगे वो क्या स्पेशल इवेंट आप अदर कंट्री में करने वाली हैं उसके बारे में.
Well, special events. There are lots of events. वो मुझे खुद नहीं पहले पता था, but I was amazed. Like there's so many Indians in America. So I am going for one Miss India Florida pageant. I'm going to judge it. Then I'm going, that's going to be in Tampa. Then I'm going for some Diwali Mela, India Fair. So from New York to Chicago to Tampa, which is to LA, to Nebraska. So I'm going to a lot of places. So yes. Yes, I just have worked there. So I've been visiting the US. But I didn't realize that Happy Ending was going to release on the 21st of November. Otherwise, I would have made an effort to be here. But these are prior commitments and I don't want to be unprofessional, so I have to go. But hopefully, I'll be back early next year to shoot Bhaiya Ji Super Hit. So then I'll be here.
Thank you.
आपको लगता है आपके हिसाब से मुंबई पुलिस अच्छा काम करी आपके केस को लेकर?
वेडिंग जल्दी आना चाहिए, आपको नहीं लगता कि काफी लेट हो? जी
यार आप किस चीज़ के लिए हो?
हम सब के लिए आए हैं, हर चीज़ के लिए आए।
मैं स्पेसिफिकली मामी के लिए आई हूँ।
और आपसे मुलाकात बहुत कम होती है इसीलिए
I know यूएस जा रही है, अब दोबारा यूएस चली जाएंगी।
इसलिए प्रीति कई बार ऐसा हुआ है कि आपसे मुलाकात नहीं हुई।
But you will have no value for me अगर मैं आपको हर रोज मिल गई।
इसीलिए तो आज हम पूछ रहे हैं, इसीलिए
No, see, my thing is, we live in India. ये हमारा देश है, ये आप भी जानते हो और मैं भी जानती हूँ. So we have to let law take its course, right? We can't. I am just as a normal person. आप मुझे celebrity बोलते हैं, but I'm as normal as anybody else. Instead, in these things, so I'm not even normal because our cases happen the slowest. So I'm just waiting to see. अब मैं क्या बोलूँ? जब तक कोई आगे they're saying we are following procedure, then I have to follow. ना? There are million people in front of me in the line. If I try to jump that line, फिर आप लोग कहेंगे कि आप celebrity की तरह behave कर रहे हैं. So I'm being a good girl and towing the line and waiting.
Thank you.
Right?
Yeah,
What else can I do?
absolutely. Thank you.
You're
Thank
most
you.
welcome.
Thank you.
And अब मैं आपको कम इसलिए दिखती हूँ, नहीं तो आपको मुझे वैल्यू नहीं रहेगी यार.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you. हमने expect नहीं किया था इतना अच्छा.
Side please.